Here's a different kind of video to the ones you're used to. This one's celebrating getting 10,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel. It's a milestone I wasn't expecting to reach, and it's actually happened quite quickly in the end. So I'm surprised to have reached this point, and all I can say is that I'm very grateful to everyone who's subscribed and everyone who's watching and sharing my videos, especially you. And as a thank you, I'm doing a giveaway. So before I explain what I'm giving away, let me tell you how to go about entering. To be eligible to win the giveaway, you'll need to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And next month I'll randomly select a winner from everyone who's taken part. I'll contact the winner and send them their prize. So what is the prize? Well, I'm giving away 3 Copic markers, 2 Sharpies and a Papermate permanent pen. These are my go-to tools at the moment, and you'll see them featured heavily in my product designing videos. But it's not just these pens. Also, I'm giving away my very first ProductDesignerMaker.com t-shirt. And in addition to that, I'm going to include a range of downloadable resources from my website, ProductDesignerMaker.com. So don't forget, like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to take part. Remember that you can find me on Instagram at Product Designer Maker to see what's going on behind the scenes. Best of luck, thanks for all your support so far, and thanks for watching.